Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your TV can accept manual DNS entries and note its IP and gateway. Once done, open network settings and locate DNS configuration. Some TVs show automatic versus manual modes. Make sure you have the DNS addresses written down. If your TV limits changes, prepare router access as backup. This step matters because switching DNS at the TV is quickest, but router changes affect every device. Choose the route that fits your goals. Now you perform the core change. On the TV, pick manual DNS and input the primary address first, then the secondary. You do this because TVs typically prefer a primary for lookups and a secondary as fallback. Once entered, save and reboot the network connection. If the TV won't accept manual DNS, make sure to log into the router, change the DHCP DNS settings, and reboot the router so the TV inherits them. This ensures consistent resolution across devices. To finish, verify the change by opening apps or running the TV's network test so you confirm name resolution works. If pages or streams still fail, power cycle the router and TV, clear app cache, and recheck DNS entries because cached records can impede the switch. If problems persist, try an alternative DNS provider or temporarily revert to the original settings while you isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: use the router-level DNS change.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.